Welcome to day 16 of 30 Days of AI with Luna Velvet. Learn, practice, create, and build. A still image captures one moment, but what if the camera could move through that moment? What if one photograph could become the beginning of a cinematic story? Today, we are exploring Luma AI Dream Machine. Luma AI Dream Machine is a creative platform for generating and transforming images and videos with artificial intelligence. For video creation, you may begin with a written prompt, animate a reference image, or guide a transition with keyframes. You can also extend an existing scene, create a loop, or modify authorized video footage. The exact models and controls available may vary according to the account, plan, and selected workflow. Its role is not only to generate movement, its role is to help creators direct how a visual idea develops over time. Movement alone does not make a video cinematic. The direction of the camera shapes what the audience notices and how the scene feels. A push-in can create focus, a pullback can reveal context. A pan can introduce a new part of the environment, an orbit can add dimension, and a slow tracking movement can create a sense of discovery. The camera should support the message, not compete with it. One of Dream Machine's strengths is image to video. A strong reference image establishes the subject, composition, environment, lighting, and visual style. Another strength is camera movement. You can describe cinematic actions such as a slow push-in, pan, orbit, zoom, or tracking shot. Keyframes can guide a transition from one selected visual moment to another. Extend can continue a scene beyond the original generation. And modify video can help transform authorized footage while preserving elements of the original performance. The main advantage is visual direction. You are not only asking artificial intelligence to create movement, you are deciding how the audience enters, explores, and leaves the scene. However, Dream Machine also has limitations. Faces, hands, clothing, and objects may change during movement. The camera may move faster than expected, the background may drift, physics may appear unrealistic, the subject may change position, text inside the generated scene may become unreadable. A transition between keyframes may introduce unexpected objects, and longer sequences may require several shorter generations assembled together. Certain tools, resolutions, and costs may depend on the plan. That is why every generation requires human review. Today, I will transform one professional reference image into a short cinematic sequence. Our practical concept is a confident female AI educator standing inside a premium futuristic cinematography studio. The camera will push forward slowly, her hair will move gently, the digital screens will contain subtle animation. Step 1. Define the cinematic goal. Before opening the tool, ask, who is the subject? Where is the scene happening? What should move? How should the camera move? What should remain stable? What should the audience feel? For this lesson, the goal is a calm, professional introduction with a slow cinematic push-in. Step 2. Choose a strong reference image. Use one clear subject with a visible face, realistic hands, strong lighting, a clean composition, enough depth for camera movement, a stable background, and no obvious visual errors. Avoid images with distorted fingers or crowded compositions. Step 3. Open Dream Machine and select an image-to-video workflow. Upload the reference image. Review it carefully before generating. Artificial intelligence will build movement from the information already present inside the image. Step 4. Write a motion-focused prompt. Describe the camera movement first, then describe the subject's action, speed, and atmosphere. Describe the elements that should remain stable. Avoid requesting several dramatic movements inside one short generation. Step 5. Generate the first version. Watch the entire result before changing anything. Check. Does the face remain consistent? Does the camera move smoothly? Does the body move naturally? Does the background remain stable? Are the hands realistic? Did any new object appear? Does the scene communicate the intended emotion? For this demonstration, imagine the camera moves too quickly and the background changes during the shot. The idea is still useful. The camera direction and motion intensity simply need refinement. Use more precise language, reduce unnecessary actions. Words such as very slow, minimal, and subtle can communicate control. Keywords like centered, stable, and consistent can communicate greater control. Generate a second version. Compare both results. Choose the version with the strongest balance of natural movement and face consistency. Look for camera control, stable architecture, and realistic lighting. The most dramatic video is not always the most professional. Choose the one with emotional clarity. The most dramatic video is not always the most professional video. Next, explore keyframes. A start frame establishes where the journey begins. An end frame establishes where it should arrive. The artificial intelligence generates the movement and transformation between those two moments. For better results, use frames with compatible subjects, camera angles, and lighting. Describe the journey between the frames. Do not only describe the first image and the last image. Explain how the transition begins, how it develops, and how it should end. Next, use extend where available. Extend continues the visual story beyond the original generation. Before extending, decide what should happen next. The extension should preserve the subject, movement, and lighting. A loop works best when positions can connect naturally. Use subtle movements such as gentle screen animation or soft environmental lighting. Do not force a loop when the subject changes position dramatically. Modify video can help reimagine authorized footage. Now assemble the final result. Use one cinematic image to video shot, one keyframe transition, and one extended supporting shot. Add licensed music, accurate captions, and clean transitions. Do not allow the effects to overpower the story. Export the final video in vertical format. Review the complete file. Responsible use. Only transform materials you own. Do not modify another person's face or voice without permission. Disclose realistic AI-generated or significantly altered content when platform rules require it. Your Day 16 challenge is to turn one reference image into a 3-shot cinematic sequence. Review every result. Remember, artificial intelligence can generate the movement, but direction creates the experience. Save this tutorial. Complete today's challenge and follow Luna Velvet for day 17 of our 30 Days of AI journey.